Choosing the right platform is the first step towards building a successful site, and it all depends on your goals as well as your technical comfort level. If you want something fast and easy or something more powerful, advanced, and professional, Wix got your back. The Wix Classic Editor, simple and intuitive. The Classic Editor is the version most of us know and love. It is perfect for small business owners who want a stunning site without needing a degree or knowledge in web design. You can literally just pick any element you want. It would be text, images, or buttons, and simply drag and drop it to wherever you want to place it. It's really fast and easy, and if you want to get your services online and start taking bookings quickly, this is the best option for you. You also have access to hundreds of beautiful designs that you can simply customize. The Wix Studio Editor, the professional powerhouse. Wix Studio is the newest addition to the family, designed specifically for agencies and professional designers who need total control. Unlike the classic editor, Studio uses a sophisticated responsive system. This means your site adjusts itself perfectly across every single screen size using advanced logic. If you want to dive into the fine details of CSS or create complex, high end animations, Studio gives you the tools to do it. It's built for teams, allowing multiple people to work on the design code simultaneously with ease. So, which one is right for you? If you're a solo entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to create a beautiful, functional site quickly, Wix Classic is the way to go. It's simple, powerful, and gets the job done. But if you're a professional designer building high end sites for clients and you need the absolute latest in web technology, Wix Studio will give you that level of creative freedom. Both editors are incredible tools, and the best part is that you can't go wrong with either. It's all about finding the workflow that makes you feel most confident. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.